Hey friends, let's make a quick, easy, and delicious lunch today. We're going to start off by oiling a baking sheet. And I love this nutty oat bread. It is only 12 carbs per slice. You can toast this bread before you lay it on your baking sheet if you like your bread toasted. I don't always do that. I just lay my bread on there, and then you're going to top that with your favorite cheese. I'm using Swiss. And here's my inspiration. We had hamburgers last night and leftover tomatoes and onions. So I wanted to utilize those, and I do this from time to time. When I have a few leftover tomatoes and onions, I just make this yummy, yummy lunch. Altogether, this entire lunch is only about 27 carbs. Then I'm going to top this with some oregano. That's optional. Pop it in the oven on broil for about 3 minutes. And yes, I set my timer because I was busy and was scared I'd squirrel and burn it. But voila, 3 minutes later, lunch is ready.